Hello and welcome back to my channel where I am documenting my journey on the Optavia 5-in-1 program. And today I have a lean and green recipe. I'm going to make another single serving casserole style lean and green, and it is Italian ground beef squash casserole by Sandy's Kitchen. And I'm actually home for lunch right now. I have a fundraiser after work, and I know I'm not going to get home until around like 6:30, 7 o'clock. And I also know I'm going to be starving. So my thought is to get the casserole ready, and then when I get home from work and the fundraiser, I will pop it in the oven. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to brown 93% lean ground beef, and I'm going to be using 2.5 ounces of that. Then I also need a 1/4 cup of reduced fat mozzarella, a 1/4 cup, it calls for skim ricotta. I'm going to use my low fat cottage cheese. It calls for a 1/4 cup of an approved marinara sauce. I'm going to be using Rao's. And it calls for a 1/2 cup of sliced zucchini and a 1/2 cup of sliced yellow squash. Well, I just have zucchini, so I'm going to be doing a whole cup of that. And then it calls for some spices: garlic powder, salt, basil, oregano, and then 1 tablespoon of reduced fat Parmesan cheese. I'm going to turn the camera down so you can see what I'm doing.
Want you close, maybe hold your hand a little while. Somehow I know you're gonna be the girl that I'll end up calling my own. We ride around in style, sleeves rolled up, glasses on, and then you make that smile and my heart starts racing when I'm with you. When I'm with you. Sunshine feels like everything stops for a while when we look into each other's eyes. How could I ever let you go now when you're looking like that? Can't get enough of this. Being with you is a never-ending sunshine. You got your high heels on, I'm wearing my worn-out jeans. What could go wrong? Sipping on a beer, sing along to our favorite songs. All I want is you. You make my world spin round and round. Sometimes I don't know what to do, 'cause my heart starts racing when I'm with you. Can't get enough of this. Being with you is like never-ending sunshine. Feels like everything stops for a while when we look into each other's eyes. How could I ever let you go now when you're looking like that? Can't get enough of this.
So I have my little mini casserole ready to go in the fridge, and then when I come home, I'll preheat my oven to 350, and then I will bake this for 25 minutes. So I'm gonna put this in the fridge. I'm gonna head back to work. So yesterday I filmed my results video, but I also got my Wild Fork order in the mail, and I did a little brief unboxing yesterday. So I'm gonna play that for you guys. And when I'm back from the fundraiser, I will put my casserole in the oven, and I will see you again for my lean and green. So I got a delivery from wildfork.com. And I talk about it all the time in my videos. It's where I like to get my salmon. So I thought I would do just a little unboxing. So it comes frozen, and they pack it with dry ice. So the first thing I got was, of course, more salmon fillets. I got 2 packages of these. They are already skin-free. I prefer my salmon without the skin. And like I said in my videos, I really like this Wild Fork salmon because when it cooks down, it is usually right around 5 ounces, which is the portion of salmon that we get for our lean and green. And then I also got some shrimp. I got the extra large shrimp. They're raw, but they are already peeled and deveined. And then finally, thought I would try these steakhouse style beef sirloin medallions. So it says natural smoke flavor added, dry rubbed with a robust mix of garlic, onion, red pepper, and herbs. And it also notes no artificial colors, artificial flavors, phosphates, or MSG. So I got that, and it looks like there's 4 medallions, and this is 1.84 pounds. So when these cook down, they'll probably be right around 5 or 6 ounces as well. I'm gonna put these away, and I will be back to make my lean and green. Well, I am back from my fundraiser, and I put my Italian ground beef squash casserole in the oven, and I just took it out, and it looks absolutely delicious, and it smells wonderful. So I am going to go enjoy my lean and green, and I will check back after. All right, well, my lean and green was absolutely delicious. I love those little single serving size casseroles. Well, I am going to say goodnight for now. If you like this video, please like it below and subscribe to my channel. And tick that notification bell so you are alerted every time I upload a new video. And I will see you next time.